Hey Uber Eats and all my customers, family and friends. I'm about to do Uber Eats and DoorDash food deliveries. I wanted you guys to see these huge clouds in front of us. I'm out in Marina Del Rey. Do you guys see those clouds across the street? They look kind of scary. It's really dark over there. Oh, I already got a food delivery. Okay. Fratelli Cafe. That quick, I got a food request, and then it's in Marina Del Rey. Perfect. Yeah, those clouds over there look super scary. It looks super great. I don't know what the hell that is.
Head northwest on Palawan Way toward Admiralty Way, then turn left onto Admiralty Way. In 800 feet, turn right onto Via Marina. Take the next right onto West Washington Boulevard, then turn left onto Wilson Avenue. Take the next left onto Wilson Avenue, then turn left.
It's a beautiful day in Marina Del Rey, but those winds have been really high. The winds could be a little bit scary if you live on the water. Or if you're a boater.
Take the next left. In 800 feet, turn left.
See all these damn branches? Like, they cannot be good for the tires. God damn it.
Head southeast on Palawan Way toward Admiralty Way.
I'm not sure if that was an entrance, you
Take the
guys.
next left, then turn left.
I thought it was an entrance till that lady made that expression on her face. And then you guys see how these people just walk in front without even looking. You have a lot of distractions to deal with when you're working. Ah, here it is, Fratelli. I never even heard of this place. You guys see it? Alright, up in there. If you guys are watching, please hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 50 followers or 50 subscribers so that I can go live instead of using up all my space on my cell phone.
Take the next left, then your destination will be on the left.
Okay, once again, look at the storm to our left. Woo. The storm looks crazy to me. Now I'm getting close to Culver City, but looks like I'm still in Marina Del Rey, or the outskirts of Marina Del Rey. With the wind too when you're out doing deliveries or driving people around, because even though feel it's just wind. Wind can be very dangerous. Like something can fall on you. Like trees have killed people in California. Entire trees have fallen on people's cars while they're in them. Before, I've been in tropic storm out in California. When my mom and I were traveling from Arizona to California, that was probably the scariest storm I've ever been in. Like, people couldn't go anywhere till the morning. The front bumper of a lot of cars came off with all the water from the storm. This storm went across the entire freeway, so you would see huge, like, tree stumps. Like, you see the tree trunks of these things? Like hundreds of them across the freeway. So there was no way in hell you're gonna cross that water in that freeway. And some people were stupid enough to try. I don't mean to call them stupid, but they probably just never experienced anything like that in California. But now we know that those storms, those tropic storms, are nothing to play with. It can be very dangerous, deadly even. Diesels ran into the back of other cars, and those cars couldn't go anywhere. People slept in their car in gas station parking lots. That's what my mom and I had to do. You couldn't use the restroom anywhere. Like, people were peeing behind buildings, peeing in bottles. You were lucky if you had some blankets in your trunk. That's why I always carry a blanket in my trunk and a pillow. I don't care what people say. You're taking up too much trunk space. Look, once you've experienced a natural disaster, you will always come prepared. Like, nothing in life is guaranteed. We do not control the weather, okay? So be prepared. That's why I have a lot of items in my purse and in my trunk. And sometimes it seems excessive, but it comes in handy for those emergency situations. I like to keep food in my car too. We never know. Have you guys lived through any natural disasters? I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, so we haven't had too many, but now I live in California where they have earthquakes and these tropic storms that I never really encountered before. We have a lot of fires. I see fires. Like, I seen, once again, traveling from Arizona to California, a fire that was like on the side of the highway. There's a lot of fires out in California and Arizona too. It's like 1:39 p.m. out here. This is part of Los Angeles. All these little cities are part of Los Angeles. Los Angeles County is huge. Do all of you guys live in California? Or do you live in other states? You guys live in the United States? Have you ever visited California? It's a very unique place. I've also been a substitute teacher, so I've seen the differences in the education system on different parts of town. It's sad that some of the urban parts of town, or the people that are like in impoverished neighborhoods, their education system looks almost like a jail compared to people that live like out in Calabasas, where they're free to wander around the school and pick their own lunch meals and have a lot of freedom in the different parts of town where it's wealthier neighborhoods. So it's wild how you could drive like 7 minutes away. Like, Marina Del Rey is a really wealthy part of town. 7 minutes down the street is Inglewood, and it's like impoverished over there. So California's crazy. Like you have like some parts of town that are really nice, and other parts that look like they're stuck in the 1960s. The buildings are old, the schools are old, so it's an interesting place. Get my nails done today and this afternoon. I like to like work first, gather up some money. I have some money, but I like to gather up, like make a certain amount of money at the beginning of the day, and then like take a break when there's like either heavy traffic or the orders have slowed down. Like 2 o'clock usually orders slow down, so this might be a good time to go fill up your gas tank, go have a late lunch or a snack, use the restroom, do things like that, run errands. I go to Dollar Tree a lot. I tend to shop in between deliveries, especially during Christmas time, during the holidays. Or pick up, like, go to the grocery store. When you're doing rideshare and food deliveries, you learn how to, like, have a flexible schedule and do some of the things that you want to get knocked out when food requests are down or it's slow.